If you are broke or financially struggling or you do not have enough money in Kenya, you need to think of ways on how you can be able to start and build an income generating online business in Kenya. And this is because being able to create value online and be able to earn extra money provides you with an opportunity to actually solve your issue that relates to lack of enough money to do the things that you want to do. Being broke is not a problem. Struggling financially probably is not something you want to have all the time, which means you need to figure out a way on how you can be able to generate extra income. And that means that even if you are working somewhere and you want to earn extra money, you can be able to tap into the many opportunities that are available online to be able to make money. And this is where starting and building an income generating online business in Kenya comes in. You can be able to monetize your knowledge, your skills, your expertise, hobbies, passions, and life experiences by leveraging the power of the internet connectivity to generate extra income or to make money from the online value chains or from the online ecosystems. The good thing is that you have everything that you are going to need to actually start and build a successful and profitable online business in Kenya. All you need is your phone, your laptop, and at least having internet connectivity, whether that is having fiber at your house or in the office or using data. You can be able to leverage those three things to actually build an income generating online business in Kenya. And while it is not as easy probably as it sounds, at least you can be able over time to build an income generating asset. Because the idea is that an online business is just like any other business, only that you have more leverage because you are using technology that gives you the ability to reach a wider market, even beyond the boundaries or the borders of Kenya. You can be able to tap into a global market. You can be able to sell your products or services to people or customers in other countries, not necessarily in Kenya alone. So I want you to consider it. I want you to think about the things that you can be able to do, the things that you know, the knowledge that you have, the skills that you have acquired over time, probably life experiences that you have gone through, and figure out or find a way of how you can turn those into an income generating online business. And you can start by doing very basic stuff like creating content either on a blog or on a YouTube channel and building it over time into a money-making online enterprise. For more on this particular topic, watch the video on your screen right now, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, and I'll see you in the next one.